Alright guys, what's up? Today, first video of Clash Royale. Trying out the new REWORK and Evo Furnace. I'm not sure if I want to go for Tesla or Cannon. With Cannon, definitely is going to be slightly cheaper. It's probably going to go to 2.9. But I mean, Tesla be targeting up, air units and ground units. So, how much health? So it's got 1500 health. Cannon has slightly less health. Damage 308. Sorry. 291. Yeah, and I mean the damage really goes up if I do upgrade right to level 15, which unfortunately I don't have at the moment. Oh my bad. Let's go with Tesla for now, only because of Tesla can target both ground and air units. So yeah. So starting off fighting with Mecha RC. Let's go ahead and do this, brother. Put Furnace in the back to see what he's got. He's got Skellies. And Mighty Miner, huh? Do I want to go for it? You know what? Let's go for it. Why not? Wow. Can we log this? Yes, we can. Great. I mean, I don't know why bro did that. It's about to die. I'm gonna go do this. Pop ability. Wow! Wow! The value? Oh, perfect. Thank God I saved my snowball. I'll really go and do again another furnace push. That was my bad for me. That was very bad played. Gonna go furnace right here. Perfect. Wow, that bro, please chill. This guy does not want to chill. But wow, that freaking, oh my gosh, that knight, if he was level 15, huh, forget about it. He would have been way too broken. We're gonna go with drill again. And what's funny is that we're gonna get crazy value from Furnace. The attack speed is gonna be crazy. We're gonna go with Tesla here. Perfect. We're not gonna go to do this. We're gonna go right here. Tesla right here. Furnace here. I'm gonna go with guards. Just crazy push right here, brother. Wow. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely. Please kill it. Honestly, worth it. We're gonna go with guards here. Definitely want to log this here. Crazy value. absolutely crazy value right here, brother. That who bought this? Who spectated me? Oh, it's one of my high school friends. It's crazy. But the Furnace goes absolutely crazy. I love it. But that Golden Knight ability right there, earlier, that Golden Knight ability, so good. If I had level 15 Golden Knight, he would have done wonders. I mean, he was still pretty good, but oh my gosh. I don't know. It feels like he's got Expo. I'm not sure how about I feel about this. We're gonna go with yeah, definitely he's got. Wow, amazing. Such a good. I mean, we're gonna go with Furnace again. I'm not sure about the range. That range, brother, is so good. We're gonna go with right here and hope for the best right here. He's bound to go for Expo right here. Perfect. We're gonna go Log only because Log does more damage here. But we're gonna take a good chunk of damage. Okay, so we are low in elixir. He shouldn't have Expo. But we did took a bunch of damage. Now he's gonna want to target the same. I feel like he's gonna want to target the same deck. I mean the same lane. So we're gonna use Tesla here as why did bro? Okay, I don't know why bro did that. I'm not even gonna. I'm gonna target that. We're gonna go. Evo snowball this right here. Boom! Pushes everything to the back. Boom! Crazy value. Absolutely crazy value. We're gonna not even. I'm not gonna let that die on me. No sir. If he wants to, yeah, he's gonna have to overcommit there with Log. And if we can defend this and make a big push here. No Log. Okay, we're gonna just. I mean, I won already. I won. Well played. I mean, Furnace. What can I say? Busted Evo, busted card. Such a good card. Actually, at first when I saw the rework, I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know how to feel about it. But now that I'm using the Furnace, all I can say is wow. Absolutely an absolutely good unit. So far so good, right? So let's keep on getting these wins, brother. So I don't have Furnace. Definitely do not want to overcommit here, so I'm gonna go with Knight. He's got Baby Dragon. Tesla here. I mean, I don't know what to put here. Okay. I'm gonna go here. Bam. Yep. Perfect. The range, brother. Does he got range? No, he doesn't. But, oh my gosh. Dude, what is this unit? You're telling me he cannot be targeted by the can? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! His range is absolutely crazy. Okay, they're definitely going to nerf this dude. He's rocking Graveyard. He's rocking Graveyard. I already know. Don't want to let this dude get too close to me. But brother, look at that. Look at that. The range. Honestly, such an unfair unit. They're gonna nerf the hell out of this card. I can already. Actually, you know what? I might want to use. Here. I'm gonna go ahead and definitely use. He's gotta have poison. I feel like he's gotta have poison. So we're gonna do this right here. Absolutely crazy unit. Look at that. Like, bro. Are you joking? I'm not doing any damage. Right? I'm not doing any damage, but it's all cool. Does he not have? Please, ability, right here. Oh my gosh, that freaking knife got in the way. No. You should get value from this right here. Right here. I knew he had to play. He had to go for ability here. He didn't have to overcommit here. Boom. Amazing. Oh my gosh, dude, this unit's such a busted unit. Well played. Wow. I mean, I don't know what to say, man. This unit's such a busted one. Such a busted one. I can I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's keep getting these W's, brother. Furnace are great. We start with Furnace. That's good. Actually, I want to see. Do I go Furnace or do I go Goblin Drill? Let's go Furnace. Why not? All right. So he's got Musketeer right here. I don't know. But what is Blood doing? We're gonna go with yep. Hopefully I can get another Goblin Drill just in time. I think I can. I will actually. Just in the nick of time. We're gonna log this to the back. Just so we can get some more damage here. Then I gotta put oh snap. Oh my god, dude, calm down. So he's got Lumberloon deck. He's gonna try to make a push right now. I need to have, yep, Knight ready. Perfect. Then I need to have this Evo Furnace ready. Come on, bro. Really? We're gonna go Tesla here. We're gonna go Snowball right here. We're gonna go right here. Perfect. And then we're gonna go Furnace in the back. And then make my push again. He doesn't seem to have a big spell, so we might get away with... so we're gonna go WoW. Do this. Just like spam everything in one. Again. Wow. Doesn't seems to have a big such a busted unit, bro. Like, if my freaking GoldenEye was only level 15, I would have done wonders. Trust me, absolutely wonders. I mean, bro, give up. Bro, actually give up. That's crazy. We're barely starting, guys. We're barely starting. We're barely starting, and people are giving up this easily? That's crazy. Koopy, I'm sorry, bud. But you had to go. You had to go. Let's see what else I got here. Yeah, give me them Furnace. I feel like they're gonna nerf this dude. I mean, because he cannot be targeted by cannons, which is absolutely crazy. He's got crazy range. His Evo's absolutely busted. I mean, he can get Rocket, that's the thing. Yeah. Rocket, I feel like Rocket... Because the way I'm playing it, I have to put him in the back, right, for him to do some good stuff. I mean, you can always put him in the middle, right? But I feel like putting him in the back really allows you to, you know, prepare for a push. Definitely. Can I... Oh, okay. Oh, he's got no, he's just got 1 star, golden star. That's fine. Let's keep on doing this, boys. Sheen. Oh yeah. Give it to me, brother. Let's see, what do you have? Okay, Knight. I can work with that, definitely. Definitely, I can work with Knight. Yes, sir. Wow, bro, calm down. Amazing, amazing. What do you have, brother? He's got Bandit. We can definitely go for a do not have a splash unit. Okay. Yes, you know. Yeah. Wow, he's also got the Furnace. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. They both cancel each other. If I don't want to be too greedy, but I'm gonna be greedy. Bro, actually, he said, "Nah, fam." Wow, brother's putting everything. Actually, that might be kind of busted here. I don't have any elixir. I could use Tesla here. Yeah, he's gonna put Hog Rider here. I can already tell. Wow, that was my mistake. I got way too greedy. But other than that, actually I can defend this pretty well with give me them. And he doesn't even have let's defend, brother. And can we please get some value? Thank you. Guys, please. I can still make it, right? Just need. Nah, I got super greedy. I definitely got super greedy. Definitely got super greedy at the end. That was my mistake. I could have played it more passively. Definitely got super greedy at the end. I guess that's don't get greedy with this deck, brother, or else you will pay the consequences. Yeah, I went all out. Definitely got too greedy. I'm gonna go Furnace spin in the back. I guess this is the whole gameplay with this deck. Just boom. Can we please get another perfect? All right. So gets countered by a Furnace. All right. I don't know. What do you have, brother? What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? It's a big oops right there, brother. Log. Valkyrie, wow. I don't think I'm gonna have enough elixir to defend all of this. Barely had enough elixir to defend all of that. Amazing. I mean, bro is putting the work. So he's got Cracker. Firecracker. We're gonna go with the here. Do this. Go with the late Furnace. And then put guards here just to defend everything in this guy's path. He's gonna put Valkyrie. Evo Valkyrie to be more precise. Why did bro send it way too high? Seriously. Nice. That's unfortunate. No, wait, he cannot be targeted by that is absolutely crazy. He cannot be targeted by wow. I mean, if we can just ignore, yeah. We'll play. Wow. So he can't. How? What's the range of the Inferno? I thought he got countered by Inferno. Hold on. This deck might actually be the new deck, brother. Oh no, he's got 6. But what? I don't know. I don't know people, but this deck's absolutely crazy. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.